I made the clutches clutch. I made the clutches clutch. I made the clutches clutch. I'm eating my food. I'm eating. Look.
Percent right all the time.
No.
It actually is.
How is it?
If you know math,
You just round it.
Exactly. If it's 999 extended, then every 9 upgrades the next 9, so it automatically becomes 100%.
Wait, is this like a dub? Oh, he's a 4-man, 6-man actually. If you include his allies.
There can never be a point in 0000 extended.
Should I jump on this board? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
Fucking kill yourself.
Here's ball in the trap. Here's ball in the trap. Here's ball in the trap. I'm dead. I'm dead. It's over for me. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. If I'm dying, his ball's dying too. That's all I know. If I'm dying, his ball is dying too. That's all I know. Dude, imagine I end up killing all 3 of them. Like, that would be so sick. Oh, well, though. Ain't it? You know, there's nothing much I can do. They're raidable. No, they're not. They're being bowed to death. There we go. He's dying. If I'm dying, their ball's dying too, baby. Dead. He's potting me as well. Dude, he's actually potting me. He's actually potting me. And this guy's getting tagged. This guy just got 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 tagged. They're both getting tagged except for me. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm going to win. I'm going to win. And I have a bow. They're both getting tagged. Dude, I'm gonna win this 2v1. 3v1. Technically including the bot. Quick, one.
What?
Hi, Fly. Are you watching this?
Yep.
Hi, Fly. Please tell me you're watching this.
I am.
No, why is he targeting me? Archer, target this guy.
I'm watching it too, yeah.
Thank God. I'm about to gap on this guy.
Get that bow out of your inventory. I mean, your hotbar.
I'm dead. Screw it. If I'm dying, he's dying too. Don't even care.
Blocks pearl, blocks pearl. Make sure
Dead.
that he's. There you go.
How you doing now, G? How you doing now, G? How you doing now, G? I killed every single one of them. Bro, tell me I'm not the best.
You're not the best.
Okay, that's not something I want you to actually tell me. I know it's true, but come on.
Hey man, I'm just telling you what you told me to just tell you.
Watch this. I'm gonna pull through the fence gates and they're gonna have no clue. P2 bot it, but I didn't get it, bro. You got back in diamond. Come your Discord. I'm busy. I'm in! I killed one, they're raidable. I killed one, they're raidable. I killed one, they're raidable. Raidable. I am the best in the game. Bro, I'm so good!